you to narrow your focus down. The process today is winning the 1v1 battle. Whoever you're up against, you look him in the eye and you take him to the track. You win your battle and let me worry about the rest of the team. Do your job today and we win the game. Let's go!
We are underway here at Orlando City Stadium. First ever meeting between Orlando and Cincinnati. Maddox still, Maddox scores! But it's just going to keep getting hotter and hotter and hotter as this one goes along. Johnson to Akindelli, Tesho! A wonder goal for Tesho Akindelli. We are level at one. Right away, Orlando City on the front foot. Here comes Sagapi. Penalty kick. But Orlando City will have a chance to keep the lead from the spot. Save Richie. Nani taps in the rebound. 2-1 Orlando City. Luis Nani does it again. Orlando City have the lead. Now Buwan, they've had a hard time dealing with him. Buwan into the box. Buwan looking in front. There's another one from Nani. An absolutely majestic galloping run for the young Brazilian Buwan. Akindelli! I heard you. It's a brace for Tesho, and the rout is on. 4-1 Orlando. Flyer in for Nani with a 3-goal lead.
And it doesn't matter if the game's 4-1, 5-1, 10-1, or whatever it is. He wants to score goals, and if he gets a goal now, this can kick him on.
And it goes Dwyer! He's off the schneid. And Orlando City have absolutely walloped FC Cincinnati. A dominant statement win. Orlando City blow away FC Cincinnati in a match we won't soon forget. 5-1 the final.